Hope everyone's having a good morning. We are out here in Southwest Ranches, and we're at one of the coolest barns you've ever seen. They have several beehives, and we have to get them out of here because they are around horses and around where kids come and do their equestrian stuff. We're gonna start in the front here. There's a few bees in a few of these trees. I got that gentleman all the way over there searching for some more for me. And we're gonna come and show you the first bee issue they're having, and this is in the main entrance. And then we're gonna cut off for a little bit so I can start to get to work. But that's where those babies are. Going in through there. Massive. There's one bringing in some pollen. Smell the honey. I'll show you a few that are coming in with pollen. See that guy with the white side bags? That's the guy coming in with pollen. Worker bee, female. Take a picture of that.